Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Sai Charan and you are watching ENK Learning Hub. It's been 2 weeks that we have discussed. So you may be wondering, so what is the reason? The main reason behind is that I am back with one of the good SQL project for beginners. So you may be wondering, so where I found these projects, where I found the data sets, where I can go good data sets for projects. So I found a good website called Code Basics. Code Basics. So you can see it here. So this is Code Basics. So here the main specialty of this Code Basics is like it is very much more interesting because they used to conduct a good challenges for data analysts. So they will be providing some good data sets, and then if we can solve them, it will be very good and practical. We will be gaining very practical knowledge here. So from today onwards, we will be discussing challenge 4 from this Code Basics website. So that is provide insights to management in consumer goods domain. So there is an imaginary company named Atliq Hardware. So in this company is trying to push their sales. So unfortunately, they failed with the existing data analysts. So they are very strong and they are very willing to increase their sales. Hence, they are trying to recruit. They are willing to recruit some junior data analysts for the support. Hence, they are conducting a contest. They are conducting a contest. There will be some SQL challenges given to us for this company. So if we can solve them, we will be selected. So this is the problem statement of the this challenge. Problem statement of the challenge. Okay. So let us see the tables which they given the data. I mean, okay. So let us check the metadata given. So what is metadata? So metadata is like what are the tables available, what are the columns available. So what exactly the information of the tables, okay, the information of the tables they will be given. So here we can see that there were six tables, six tables, six tables. They are DIM customer, DIM product, fact gross price, fact manufacturing cost, fact pre-invoice deductions, fact sales monthly. So these are all the columns, these are the tables available. These are all the tables given to us. So okay, this is the data. So now I will be attaching this metadata set in the description box so you can go through this. Okay. So here for every table there will be some columns and then they have given the description of each and every column here. Okay. So you can see this. So as it will take more time, let us see the data model given to us. Okay. So this is the basic data model given to us. So as I said, there were six different tables. They are DIM customer, DIM product, fact gross price, fact manufacturing cost, fact pre-invoice deduction, fact sales monthly. So these are all the tables given, right? So I have highlighted some of the columns. They are customer code, product code, and then so these two are the columns in different tables were be highlighted. So what is the reason? What is the reason that I have highlighted these things? So these are all the keys. These are all the key columns of each and every table. So these will be unique. So this is about customer table, right? This is of customers table. So how we can recognize each customer? So we can recognize customer by their code, right? By their customer code. So then this is the primary key of this particular table. So if you see DIM product. So there we can easily find the customer. Sorry, we can easily find the product by means of its product code. So that is the reason these are being as primary keys of tables. And then now, so what is another usage? What is another usage of these key values? So if we are merging two, if we are joining two tables, so primary key and foreign key are very must and should, right? So let us take an example. So if we want to join DIM customer and then if we want to join these two tables, fact pre-invoice reduction as well as DIM customer. So here, if we need to join, there must be some key values to join, right? So we can join based on the customer code as here and then customer code here. So we can join them. If we want to join DIM product as well as fact gross price, so we can these two. If we want to join these two by means of product code, we can join these two. So these are all being both the customer code as well as product code is being the primary and foreign keys of the tables. So, so this is the basic idea of the given project. Given project. For this day, let us solve one small question. Okay. So to solve these questions, I am using MySQL workbench. MySQL workbench. So I uploaded every data set into the MySQL. Okay. So now use Atliq hardware. So what is this point? So here you can see the first line. Use Atliq hardware. What is this? So we are telling MySQL that I was using this data set. I was using this data set. And then in this data set, I uploaded all my tables. Okay. So use Atliq hardware. So I am using this data set. So the question, provide the list of markets in which customer Atliq exclusive operates its business in the APAC region, APAC region. Okay, right. So what they are asking for the condition. There should be the customer should be Atliq exclusive. So they need exclusive customers. And then from which region? APAC region, APAC region. So this is very simple. This is very simple. We know. So if you have seen my all previous videos, this is very easiest question. This is very easiest question. So as usual, select from, select from. So as I have given some condition, we are going with where. So what they are asking, provide the list of markets in which customers, right? So we need to take out distinct markets, right? So we don't need any duplicates here. Market from which table? So here they have mentioned that customer of Atliq exclusive. So the customer should be exclusive for that Atliq, and then from region. So we need two different things. So that is customer as well as region. So let us check this data set. Okay. So where it is? So see here. So in customer code. So here by this we can get customer, and then by this region we can get. So directly if we can use DIM customer, we can solve this question, right? So from which table we need to extract DIM customer, right? So now what is the condition? What is the given condition? So customer is Atliq exclusive, right? So this is one condition, and the region of the customer should be APAC. So this is the region of the customers. So we will remove this. Select district. So there is it is showing some error, right? So this is the query. Let us run this. See, here we can see them. So here the markets for the customers who is exclusive as well as from the region APAC. So this is the market. So the customers are from India, Indonesia, Japan, Philippines, South Korea, Australia, New Zealand, Bangladesh. So this is the query. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe for more content.